Hey gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Yes, I was sent these cases by Icesword. They're really awesome, super premium silicone cases for iPhone 14 Pro Max. So many colors to choose from. Is MagSafe, so you can do wireless charging. I love these cases. They're super soft, super high quality, premium, drop proof, the whole 9 yards. You get all the protection you want. I love these cases. Doing a full review. I'm going to put them on my phone. Let's go.
Yeah, so what I was telling you before about these cases, these are fantastic. This is some of the colors that they have here. They're really a really cool case. Let's take a look at this one here together. So you can see here, they're all branded inside. They have a nice felt lining inside each one of these cases. They have really high quality drop protection. Super awesome how they're made. You can see how all the cutouts are absolutely perfect on these phones. You can see it'll fit perfectly. And I love the feel of these cases. They're super soft. Again, they don't pull on the hair. They're a nice silicone. They're like a silky soft silicone. So I love the way they're built. I love the way they're made. And the company sent them out to me to review and to look at them. And, you know, we've had some other cases, and I like to say that this one here, I really like quite a bit. It says here, it is designed in California. So it's really nice to know that they had the technology to really make the right molds, cutouts. And look at these colors, guys. I mean, these colors are awesome. They got beautiful. This color here this is a nice lavender. Here's a red. Here's this classic. This is dark green. Hopefully you can see that. We have an awesome yellow one here for summertime. Yeah, that summertime is coming, so the nice colors. We got this cool pink color here. What are they calling this one? They're calling it sand pink. See that color there? That's awesome there. There's an awesome color there. This is another nice color. This is red, medium red. You can see that color here. And this color is berry. That's a little berry. That's kind of cool. I like that. And this is another nice, pretty one. This is a lovely pink. That's what that's called, lovely pink, which is cool. I love that. And the one I'm going to show you here, this is Deep Stone, which I kind of like this one myself, like a grayish color. Again, they're all super soft to the touch, and we'll just see how they fit on the phone. That's what this is all about. I'll leave a link down below in the description, and that is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you are interested in these things, just to be transparent and open. Very important to be transparent and open. They come in these nice little packages just like this, easy open blister packaging, so super simple to open. Everything is all branded, so you know where they're coming from. You know what you're getting. Again, I do like the way it's made. Let's put it on to see how easy it is to install. Here's my iPhone 14 Pro Max. How I like to do it is always start from the bottom, okay? And then I roll it up to the top. Just like that. You can see that is done, and that's installed that quickly. You get the bumper, you get the side here, so you can see, hopefully you can see clearly, that you get the lens protection in the back. You get full protection all around. And also the front, the glass, so you have protection here as well. So you get full protection all around the phone. It fits nicely. It's super snug, and it feels good in the hand, and it's got that nice silky soft feel to it. I love the feel of this. Some of the cases, my wife complains that they pull her hair. They pull your hair. This does not. This represents almost the same, I would say the same quality as the Apple. I mean, and without paying the crazy pricing. That's how I'm going to compare this to it. It's the same soft, silky feeling, without the crazy price. And that's what I like about this case. So I love this case, definitely recommend it. Here are some of the colors, like I told you before. They fit perfectly, they work well, and they actually are a fantastic, fantastic case. I absolutely love the way it feels on my phone. I love the way it looks, and you can see it fits perfectly. And they have so many colors, guys. So definitely check out the link down below. It is an affiliate link. I do get a small commission, like I said. But when I get these cool items from these companies, I like to show everybody what's included, good or bad. If it's bad, I'm going to tell you. If it's good, I'm going to tell you. So they're good, high quality cases. You can see some of the colors here. These are just a sampling, and they all fit exactly the same. So the molds are perfect, okay? So when they do the color dyes, the different color structures, everything fits perfectly. So don't want to make this too long. I just want to bring it to the point. Definitely recommend this one. This is a nice case. Again, silky soft. I like this stone color. I like that a lot. This is a nice pink one here. You got the pink one. It's the same look at all. It's got the same fit. And I absolutely think these are a great case. All right, guys. Make it quick, simple. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate it as always. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you like. If you have anything, let me know. It's good to have the good, the bad, and the ugly. That's what it's all about. These cases, I like a lot. Also, there's a super thanks at the end of in the bottom of this video. If you found this helpful and informative and I brought you some value, please consider that super thanks. That helps support my channel. Everything we do raise within our channel goes back into the channel, and we do more reviews and more stuff to help you explore and understand technology, items, products, and everything else in between. So I appreciate it as always, guys. Don't forget the link down below. Don't forget to share and like. It means a lot to me, and I appreciate your time. And I'll see you at the next one.